Hi, it's Margie from Homestead Window Treatments. We're going to talk today about how to make your window look bigger. There are several tricks and little ways we do it here in the design world, so I'm here to show you those today. So as you know, we do window treatments here, but there are some preliminary things you can do before you dress your windows that can be done with your contractors. For instance, you can put some wide frame molding around your window that will just automatically increase the perimeter and make the window look bigger. There are some different types of molding, like capital molding, which also presents a little taller and wider, and that will make the window look taller in addition to the other molding around the window, which makes it look wider. Another thing you can do is to paint the walls a light color. For instance, if you had a dark colored paint around the window, there's a high contrast between the bright light coming into the window and the dark paint. So painting the walls light, almost close to white, will alleviate some of that difference in value. So as for window treatments, one obvious way to me is to outside mount your shades. This means mounting on the molding. Automatically the shade is bigger and it makes the window look bigger when you're covering the extra few inches on either side of the window. If you're using a blackout fabric on your window treatment, on your shade, you can mount that higher than the window on the wall. And this is because you can't differentiate between where the wall stops and where the window begins. So automatically the shade becomes taller. The same is true for custom valances and cornices. If you make them a little bit taller and mount them over the window on the wall, again, it elongates the whole window, makes it look bigger and taller than it is. So you can also layer your window treatments. In addition to the shades and the top treatment, you can add drapes, or you can use the drapes instead of the top treatment. But either way, the drapes you could always mount to the sides of the window. We like to use blackout fabric on our drapes because this way you can't tell where the wall ends and where the window begins, and there won't be light discoloration where the light is filtering through the fabric. So using that blackout fabric and mounting them over to the sides of the windows, covering part of your walls, will automatically, dramatically make the window look much bigger than it is. We also like to mount our drapery as tall as possible, up to the ceiling even, or the crown molding. That elongates the window as well, brings your eye up and makes the whole window look bigger. And after you've dressed your window, sometimes you're left with a small amount of wall space on either side. So putting some kind of artwork or mirror or some kind of elongated framed piece can now just expand the width of what you're looking at. So you're not only looking at this window, but your eye is going past it to see the decor on the walls. So that concludes our little discussion today on how to make a window look bigger. Feel free to come into our showroom for more ideas and inspiration at 30 West Hills Road, Huntington Station. Or you can give us a call at 631-423-5782.